All right, guys, so update on the Husqvarna EE5 electric bike. We had a problem where the bike would just come on and just it would just blink and give us a beep and a fault code. We'd hook the XC2 diagnostic tool up to it and we would get no engine control unit. The tool would not recognize the engine electronics unit at all. First we swapped the battery, that didn't fix anything. Then we swapped the motor, which is really the only other major component, and whenever I was swapping the covers is when I noticed that this motor is soaked inside. Not sure if the O-ring was leaking for the cover or if there was a pressure washer used or something. Water either got in around the cover or got in right here. Not sure which, but obviously enough water got in to get down here and toast one of these boards and ruin something. So yeah, this motor is about $1,000. So piece of advice, keep an eye on this, keep an eye on this. This bearing should be replaced pretty often anyway. I don't know if it's like 20 hours, but this bike had 88 hours on it according to the XC2 tool. So guys, just a piece of advice, take off. It's just a small cover over here, just 3 8mm bolts that covers your front sprocket. You can take that off, and I would advise to make sure that both of these O-rings are in good shape and this bearing's in good shape and there's no water getting in, because then you're gonna end up, you can see all that looks bad, you're gonna end up putting a motor in it. So that's what it was. Glad we figured it out. Definitely all of us are pretty new to these electric bikes, but it's really nice to diagnose considering there's only two major systems here, the battery and the motor. So yeah, that's a little refreshing instead of splitting a case or something like that. So definitely these are sweet little bikes. We've sold a bunch of them. This is the first one we've ever had issues with, and it may be electric, but we can still obviously see the problem was water inside it. And in the time that I've been here, this is the first electric I've had issues with, but I've had countless gas motors in here with who had got water or tons of other issues too. So definitely a fan of the electric. Very cool. Husky KTM gas E5 owners, beware of this situation. Thanks.